Hi guys, welcome to the Sims family. So if you are already a part of our little family here on YouTube, welcome back. And if you're new, a big welcome to you guys as well. We would love to have you to be a part of our family here. Our channel is about travel and family life in French Guiana. We also do dashcam vlogs and showing you around the community in French Guiana. So hope you guys enjoy our video, and we would love to have you to be part of our family here on YouTube. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so today is Saturday and we have a few errands to run in Kourou. So we're gonna do a little bit of dashcam vlog from Cayenne to Kourou, and we're gonna take you guys along with us. You see these blue buses here? They're public bus. It costs you €1.50 to take the bus. Each bus has a number, so it depends on what part you're going in the city, and you're gonna take that bus. Look at that olive. The water.
Look here.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
catch ya?
You want to catch one? Look, look.
Catch ya?
You want to catch one? What are you going to do with it?
So guys, for all your fishing equipment, check out these guys here at Nautique Auto at Kourou. They're also on TikTok. You can get contact with them there. So they have all the equipments and gadgets that you may need for fishing. They also have stuff for your aquarium, so check them out. Black eyes.
You have black eyes?
Get them out.
Mais au début ça va? Là au début, voilà. Sur internet. Ah c'est un machin.
Oh, faut que je commande ça. Là, je suis en vlog. Ouais. Oh, man, aussi j'ai ce truc là. Putain, je dead mes vlogs.
Si elle allait faire des vidéos
So guys, here we're gonna take a quick drive through this space center in Kourou. It's a very famous tourist attraction in French Guiana. So just a quick drive through. These flags that you see here, these are all the countries that make up the European Union. So each country, their flag is there. So the rocket that you see in front there, that's a replica of what the real one is supposed to look like. And that is the Space Museum. When you go in there, you have everything you need to know about the space rocket. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.